Okay, go ahead.
When we arrived 2 weeks dash, the weather was bad and it was cold.
Very good. It was cold.
Now the weather is better. We go to the beach. Uh,
Again, you learned something. You learned
beach.
something. You learned something from the previous exercise.
We go
You
to
just
the
have to apply it. I kept on telling the also. I know
this
you can do.
this at this day.
Hope you have written down everything. You have written down all the answers. Writing it down is very important.
Sir, 41 and 43 can I say in last?
Yeah, you can say that. This week.
This week we are staying in Sydney,
Very good.
but last week
Very good. Very good. We went to the Great Barrier.
last week we went to Great Barrier Reef because the water was so warm.
Super.
I love swimming there. The fish were all different. Uh,
Yeah. You got the clue. Right after that, right after the dash, you have the clue.
we are
Right after the dash, you have the clues. Use of clues. Derivative.
in red, yellow, purple.
Yeah, that's a clue. So different.
Different color.
Very nice. Different colors. Colors. COLOURS. Very nice.
Colors red, yellow, purple. Australia is very beautiful.
Superb.
We don't want to come home.
We don't want to come home. Very nice.
See you at the end of September.
Superb. Only those two are really, you got a good score of 8 here. Not a bad deal at all. Give me that. 2 weeks, 41. Try that.
Uh,
3 letters. I'll give you a
2
clue.
weeks earlier.
No, 3 letters. 3 letters. Starting with the A. Wow, I have given a lot of.
When we arrive 2 weeks.
Starting with the A, 3 letters.
Or
Can I give a better clue than this? Starting
when
with
we
the A.
arrive 2 weeks or
No, starting with the A, 3 letters. Because of lack of time, I am going
after the weather.
no, three, 3 letters. Because of lack of time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal the answer. Ago, 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. Yes, you write it down, write it down. Somewhere you have to note it down. Because you have to speak it out. You have to speak it out in the audio.
2
We
weeks
generally say 2 weeks
ago,
before,
the
2 weeks
weather
ago.
was bad.
Yeah, yeah. And it was cold. Now the weather is better. We go to the beach dash day. This also you learned this afternoon. You are not applying that. You learned it. You learned it.
It was cold. Now the weather is better, and we go to the beach.
If you tell the first letter, you will find
Two.
it. First letter is E. First letter is E.
Every day.
There you go. Each day, every day, all day. Put all the 3 words. There are possible. 3 answers are there. Every day, each day, all day. You are improving a lot. You scored almost 8 this time. Very good. Very good.
Every hour all day.
All any one of the 3. In the exam, you have to give. In the exam, you have to give only one. Only one. Even though there are multiple answers. All right. And you score a 9 or a 10. 9 or 10 is a very good, very respectable score. Can you try a 9 or 10?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, try it.